Visions may be received at the beginning, but they speak at the end. Listen to this. The end is not designed to be quiet. Hey! The end is not designed to be silent. Your end of 2023 is not permitted to be quiet. The end is designed to be soundful, to be newsful, to be positive noiseful by the speakings of vision. This year will not end with you quietly. Maybe it is not your word, that is why you are quiet. I said the year shall not end quiet and you are quiet. There shall be the sound of celebration in your life, in your family, in your destiny. There shall be the sound of testimony. Look at your neighbor, say, the vision shall speak. This end of the year, something shall speak. It shall not be quiet. You won't end the year quietly. I don't know what it is, but maybe you dedicate your house. But maybe you dedicate your estate. But maybe you will confirm that your relationship has started. Maybe you will confirm that your wife is already pregnant. Maybe you will confirm that your long-awaited certificate has been released. Maybe you will dedicate your car manufacturing company. Maybe you dedicate your fleet of aircrafts. I don't know what it is, but I am anointed to announce this end of the year shall be full of positive sound. Positive sound. Positive sound. Positive sound. Positive news. Positive sound. Positive events. If you are saying amen, let it be louder. Look at your neighbor, say, there shall be sound. And the sound shall be positive. Because we are at the end. Say it, because we are at the end. Something must speak.